Hi there, this is our Stankoimport mill. It's vertical and horizontal, powered overarm, Russian, really heavy duty, well respected mills. It's got the feeds and rapids in all the axes, dual controls from here to there, and also over by the control panel at the back. It's got a right angle head fitted on the powered overarm. At the moment I've got the third axis head fitted, but when that's not fitted, basically it's got a quill that comes down. This handle brings it up and down, which is quite unusual and a great feature. Yeah, so that's the main part of it. You've got the separate controls, big motor on the horizontal, smaller motor on the vertical. It's in really good condition and working really well. Oh, the other feature that it would have originally come out with, which is still working, it just needs some wee bracket tags making up, is it can do an auto traverse cycle where it rapids up. The table rapids up to your work area, then goes on to the feed speed, does the machining, past the feed speed, and then rapids to the other end, etc. But it does need some tabs making up. They've been lost at some stage to be re-enable that auto traverse setup. So I'll start at the back here. You've got your coolant pump control there, which I can turn on. There it is there. It doesn't have any fluid in it. I haven't tried it with fluid, but assume that coolant system's working. You've got a wee halogen light there, which is working. You've got those dual controls. This table here, that's nice to move, and you've got two, as you'll see, hand wheels for the table. This one's a little bit more of a higher speed control. This one's a finer feed, and both of those are working nicely. You've got your handle here for your vertical, which is working nice. I'll take that off so that doesn't get me. Feed control cross here, and that's working nicely with very little play in that. And then over this side you've just got your control for your vertical head here in regards to spindle direction, and also it's got some control there for electrical source for a rotary table or something or other there. Okay, well, power it up and get things going, or is it going? Yeah, so those are the feeds there. So that's feeding that table that way, and now feeding it this way. I can change that speed very easily by pushing that button and turning this down to change those speeds, and then pushing it back in. So now that's on a different feed speed. So that's working really well, that feed change. So this T-shift here has got the knee itself going up. I can rapid that by pushing the button here. So that's rapiding that up. Neutral down. And I'll rapid that back down. And now I've got the table going in, and I can rapid that in. Neutral, feed it back out, and rapid that back out. So those are the feeds and the rapids. They're all working nicely and are nice to engage, etc. I'll run us through the horizontal spindle. So that's in 500 RPM. I'll just stop that and take you through all the speeds, I suppose. So that's 31.5. It's got a jog button here as well. So this is going to take a while to go through. Try and quickly get that through. Yep. So that's 40 RPM. I might skip a few because this will take too long. So that's 100. I'll just go up in 100 increments. 200. 400. 500. 630. 800. 1000. 2 more to go. Oh, got that wee jog. 1250. And 1 more to go. 1600. So that's the horizontal speeds. As you can see, that 1250 speed, I pushed the jog button there. Now I've just set the spindle direction for the vertical, and I am in the lowest speed there. So that's 50 RPM. This is 70. I'll just hit that jog, and this is 100, and 140, 200, 400, 'Just hit that jog, and this is 560. Actually, yes, that's right, 560, and 800. 2 more to go. 1120. Last one, 1600. So that ticks over nicely. It's nice to change through, and reasonably quiet through all that range. And I don't think there is a lot more to demonstrate. Like I say, it's a really good sized mill. It's got the powered overarm, it's got the quill here for those that need it, and it's got that third axis for those that might need that as well. You've got your dual controls here, and yeah, it's all ready to go.